We get asked all the time why I should hire an interior designer, and here are our top 5 reasons. Number 1 is design. We are the ones who are coming up with a full, detailed plan of how to design your space from beginning to end. It's really hard to do all of those things, and we work with you to make sure that as a high-end design firm, we are thinking of everything and making it curated for you. Number 2 is time. So much time is saved by having us do it for you. The amount of time that is spent by us sourcing and picking and making things that look good together is a lot of time that you're saving from doing it yourself. Number 3 is execution. We work with you and your contractor to design something that is detailed and bespoke and that you get exactly what you are looking for at the end. It's a lot of time to make sure that those plans and those elevations are clearly thought through from beginning to end. Number 4 is money. We know it's an investment to hire an interior design firm, but we guarantee you that you will be saving thousands of dollars in avoiding costly mistakes by working with an interior designer at the very beginning of your project in order to make sure that you get what you want at the end. And the last is you have a turnkey project that is tailored to you where we manage everything for you and you'll be happy in the end.